Hello, and welcome to Tracker Training. In this video, you will learn how individuals and organization contacts can complete on-demand questionnaires from their portal, and how to accept or reject those questionnaires. As stated in our portal access videos, individuals and organization contacts do not have the ability to edit information directly from their portal. Rather, they can request changes to information via on-demand questionnaires. On-demand questionnaires allow individuals to request changes to their biographical data, as well as update travel history information. Organization contacts have the ability to request new individuals to be added and associated to their organization, edit the information of existing employees, as well as create processes for the individuals associated to their organizations. To begin, I am logged into an individual's portal, and I'll navigate to the individual's profile page from the left-hand menu. From here, we can open the menu and select All Questionnaires. On-demand questionnaires are accessed from the Questionnaires Available section. Here we can see the two default on-demand questionnaires: Add, Update Personal Information, and Travel History Information. For this example, I will use the Add/Update Personal Information questionnaire, which is used for individuals to request changes to their biographical information in Tracker. Within the questionnaire, the individual can request changes to their name and marital status, add or edit contact information, as well as adding family members to their profile. I'll enter some information for this individual now. Once done with the information I wish to enter, I can now click Submit Questionnaire. We can see this questionnaire has been added to the Questionnaires Completed section. I will now log in as a staff member to review this questionnaire. Now that I'm logged in as the staff member, I'll navigate to our individual's profile page. Open the menu and select All Questionnaires. From here, we can see the on-demand questionnaire within the Pending Review section. To begin reviewing the questionnaire, we will click Review. This will open up the Review Questionnaire screen. From here, any changes to the database will be highlighted in pink. Any existing data will be in the System Data column on the right. We also have the ability to edit or add any information to this screen that we would like. This individual currently has no phone number information contained within their database. We can see here that they have added a primary cell phone number. Once I click Transfer Data, this phone number will be added to the individual's profile. If we would like the individual to be notified of their rejection or acceptance, please click the checkbox next to Notify Submitter. And once our review is complete, we can scroll to the bottom and choose to either reject this questionnaire, or if we're happy with the changes, we can click Transfer Data. And any new field, again highlighted in pink, will be submitted and added to this individual's database. I can now see this questionnaire has been moved from pending review to accepted. We can also check on some of the new information that was added. For example, the phone number. So I'll navigate back to the individual's profile page and select Contact. Here we can see that the phone number that was added to the on-demand questionnaire is now contained within their database. I'm now logged in as an organization contact to illustrate the on-demand questionnaires available to them as well. First of all, we can open up any individual profile, open the menu, and select All Questionnaires. And here we can see the same questionnaires available that we saw when logged in as the individual in their portal. These will allow us to add or update personal information for the individual or add additional travel history information. Returning to the workspace, we also have the ability to submit a request. Here we have New Service Requests. These will generate on-demand questionnaires which will allow the organization contact to request either adding or changing an employee with their organization, adding a process to an employee, or adding or updating their detail information with a DS-156E form. In order to generate the on-demand questionnaire, first we pick which one we would like to select, In this case, I'll select Add or Change an Employee. Then, if I would like to add an employee, I will keep Individual as New, or if I'd like to change the information about an existing employee, I can select them from the drop-down menu. In this case, our organization contact is associated with more than one organization, so we can choose which organization we would like this individual to be associated to. Once we've selected the appropriate fields from the drop-down menu, we can click the link to add or change an employee. This will bring up the Add or Change an Employee questionnaire. As we can see, existing information is already populating within the questionnaire, but an organization contact has the ability to request changes to employment status, job title, and many other fields. Once the appropriate changes have been entered, click Submit Questionnaire. We can now see our submitted questionnaire in the Questionnaires Completed section. If we wanted to add a process to an employee, we can select the fields we would like from the drop-downs, then click Add Process to Employee. Here we have the ability to enter additional information regarding the process we would like to create, and when we're ready, we can click Submit Questionnaire. I'll now log back in as a staff member so you can see where to review these questionnaires. I'm now logged back in as our staff member, and I'll return to our individual's profile page. I'll open the menu and select All Questionnaires, and now I can see the two questionnaires that we created in the Pending Review section. And under User, I can see who submitted the questionnaire, in this case, our organization contact. We can now review the questionnaires in the same way we reviewed an individual's, by clicking Review. And from here, we can see the new data entered highlighted in pink. And scrolling down, we can choose to either reject or transfer this data. You now know how individuals and organization contacts can access on-demand questionnaires, as well as how you, as a staff member, can accept or reject those questionnaires. Thanks for joining us, and please reach out to our support team at support@trackercorp.com for everything Tracker related.